Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 4.4, and in this question you have to find whether this situation is possible or not. And the situation is you have to find the present ages of two friends. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48 years. So let the present age of one friend be equals to x years. So clearly the sum of their ages is 20 years, and if one friend is the age of one friend is x, so clearly the second friend must be 20 minus x years. This is same as if the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years and one friend, the age of first friend is 12 years, so clearly the age of other friend must be 8 years. Then only their sum will be 20. In this case, we don't know the age of first friend, so we are supposing it as x. So the present age of second friend must be 20 minus x years. So this is their present age. In the second part it is given that 4 years ago, or clearly 4 years ago, the age of this friend must be x minus 4, and similarly 4 years ago this friend must again be equals to minus 4 years. Means we have to subtract 4 years from both the ages to find the age of these two friends 4 years ago, and the product means their multiplication is basically equals to 48. So solving this is x minus 4 and this is 16 minus x equals to 48. Now solving this, x into 16 is 16x, x into x is x square, 4 into 16 is 64, and this is 4x equals to 48. Now solving, shift this all the terms to the right hand side. So on the right hand side this minus will be positive x square. This when solved, this will give 20x, and that side that will be minus 20x, and that side plus 48 and plus 64 is equals to 0. Now solving again this x square minus 20x, and this is basically 2 equals to 0. Now we have our quadratic equation, and you have to find whether the following situation is possible or not. Means you have to check whether the value of this x is real or not. So if you want to find the value of this, if you want to check whether the value of this is real or not, we know that first of all we have to find the value of d, which is a discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, and if the value of this d is equals to 0 or greater than equals to 1, so in that case the value of the variable is real. So let's find what should be the value of discriminant. For that you have to compare this equation with the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this case our value of d should be rb is the coefficient of x, which is minus 20. So this will be minus 20 whole square minus 4 into ra is the coefficient of x square, which is in this case 1, into c, which is the constant term, which is 112. So in this case 20 square is 400 and minus will be plus, and this will be minus 4 2s are 8 into 4 into 4. So this is minus 48. So clearly the value of d is minus 48, which means the value of d is less than 0. And whenever the value of d is less than 0, in this case the roots of any quadratic equation, or you can say the value of this variable, the value of variable in any quadratic equation is not real. Means in this case the roots, or you can say the value of the variable will be unreal, which is imaginary. So because the roots, or you can say the value of this variable is imaginary, so this condition is not possible. Thank you.